Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm gonna be trying this product. It's glue gel for press-ons. This is from a Japanese company, but I believe there are similar items in other countries as well. I hope I don't get any allergic reactions from this product. I tried peel-off gel nail in this video, although I'm allergic to gel nail. This product doesn't contain HEMA. This doesn't mean I won't get any allergic reactions from this product, because I'm not sure what I'm allergic to. So I'm gonna be watching my nails so closely with this product on my nails. This came with a product in the package. You need to cut your nails short. Got it. 1. Get rid of moisture and oil from your nails. 2. Put proper amount of gel onto the press-on. I need to figure out what is proper amount for me. 3. Spread the gel. 4. Press it from the cuticle area. Let air out. 5. Get rid of the excess. 6. Cure. 20 seconds for transparent press-ons. 30 seconds for sheer colors. 45 seconds for glittery ones. I guess it's difficult to use for dark colors. 7. If it's not cured enough, cure from inside as well. The longer you cure, the more difficult to remove from your nails. This kind of scares me. 8. Make sure it's stuck. Okay, let's get started. I cut my nails really short for the first time in a long time. I can see some nails are damaged. I got vertical wrinkles because I'm old enough. I cleaned my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna be using these press-ons. Well, it's got Merry Christmas on it, but I don't care. I like the design. The gel nail is quite transparent, but I use nail foil. I wonder how much UV ray can get through it. I'm gonna start with the pinky. Proper amount. This much? This item is from Daiso, a 100 yen store. I got this from a cosmetic section. The gel is not that sticky and I was able to spread it pretty well. I made so many press-ons and I'm glad I made them to my size. I don't think I have enough gel on the press-on. I feel the inside of the press-on kind of touches my nail. I'm gonna add some more gel. I press the sides and the cuticle area so that the gel gets a little thin. Put it on the cuticle area first and press it towards the top. I'm cleaning the excess with a toothpick. I clean this excess as well. But I don't think I needed to clean that much. After curing the gel, it wasn't sticky at all. I'm gonna cure it for 20 seconds. Is it really done? Yes, it is. It stuck really well. This is really impressive. I tried to slide it upwards, but it didn't move. Yay! After this, I did the ring finger, the middle finger, and the index finger. I was careful not to cure other nails more, because, the longer you cure, the more difficult to remove the press-ons. This really scares me. By the time I get to the thumbnail, I got the hang of it. Now I know what proper amount is. This gel has a distinctive smell, but I don't hate it. It's really difficult to do your dominant hand nails, but with this method, it's really easy to have nice nails on your dominant hand. I'm not very happy about gummy stickers, because there's always some gap between the press-on and your nail if you use gummy stickers. I pressed it gently until I see the gel here. This press-on has a lot of nail foil patterns and I even stamped on it, so I cured a little longer than other nails. And I cured here too. I'm making sure it's stuck by cleaning it up. Now I'm pressing the tip. Yes, it's glued really well. I'm so happy I have nice nails in an instant. Well, it's not instant, but I felt like it was an instant. I don't feel anything unnatural about these press-ons. And they look pretty natural to me. I'm not very happy about my natural nails. They are a little too small. But now I have really nice big nails. I never fail to do all care with the press-ons. But probably I don't think it's a good idea if you want a good longevity with the press-ons. For this experiment, I'm gonna take them off after a week.
A week later.
A press-on the middle finger came off. Well, this is kind of my fault. Meaning I was helping someone with moving. I packed many things in cardboard boxes, and I used my nails too much. Without that, the press-on would have stayed longer. And actually, the index finger too. It's coming off. It looks sticky, but it's not sticky at all. I washed dishes without kitchen gloves, and I took a shower every single day. The thumbnail looks good, the ring finger looks good, and the little finger, well, if you press it, you can see the gap. Now I'm gonna take the press-ons off with ethanol. I'm gonna use this dental floss. Gently and slowly. I sprayed ethanol a lot. I thought I could peel it off, but no. The tip of my thumbnail was kind of damaged, so maybe that's the reason it doesn't come off. Oh yeah. The index finger looks like an alien's head. After one push of ethanol, it came off really easily. I like looking at this. There was some leftover gel on the natural nails, so I cleaned it with ethanol. My finger's a little damaged. If my nails were 100% healthy, I would wear press-ons again immediately. So I really like this method actually. For now, I'm gonna do my nails with nail polish until they grow healthy again. I'm gonna clean the press-ons now. I used tweezers and it worked really well. It peeled off so easily. Look at this. Wow, interesting. But this tiny bit didn't come off. So I used forceps. They recommend using pliers for this use. This looks pretty clean now, but I want to make it extra clean, so I used ethanol. I can use this press-on again. Here's something I noticed when I was wearing these press-ons. It was pretty difficult to wear a necklace with the long nails. And also small catches for stud earrings. Okay, it's clean. It looks totally reusable. My nails are really short. I guess I'll have fun designing short nails. This is my overall impression of this glue gel. I love it. It was really comfortable wearing press-ons. I enjoy looking at my nails every day for 1 week, and I didn't get any allergic reactions so far. I want to try this gel again in the future. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye!